if na those days of Lampard and Ballack dem, as e don tough like dis, you go see players wey go shoot outside shots, but e just happen say Chelsea no get dat kind players again. But anyways, the boys dey did well. Dey put their best from the first minute to the dat minute. Dey try, dey put up a good fight. I no go forget to appreciate Santos. You know, Maresca made us believe that Santos was not ready. See as Santos dey unlock midfield. He did well. Joao Pedro did well. Palmer, he did well too. The pair of Palmer and Joao Pedro is something else. I so much appreciate them. I appreciate Cucurella them too. Even our Jehovah's son, they all did well. So my appreciation goes to all of them, all our players. They did well. It's just so unfortunate that today is not our day. So, good night.